Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'll talk about AAVE USDT trading pair with my customer set updates. Let's dive in, guys. Technically, you remember the main bull plan for AAVE. All targets, personally for me, absolutely still relevant, still the same. FIB absolutely still the same. So nothing, basically for me, changed. I truly believe that AAVE will hit new all-time high. This is one of not so many projects which I truly believe will hit the new all-time high. When? Nobody knows, guys. We work only with current price action, current data, current macro situation in the world, because you could see how market can depends only about one person. The Trump say that, market react like this one, and not only the crypto market, the stock market also. So don't complain about the crypto. Guys, what we can wait and expect from virtual internet tokens. So unfortunately, guys, this if we compare with the stock market, this low liquid market, and that's why the price reacts sometimes aggressively, even up or down. Guys, so this is a chart. Let's extend the FIB right, this one, and let's adjust it till penny. So I want to adjust it FIB. So this was a top. You remember this was a correction. This was a correction for AAVE, and here now we're trying to hold the line at zero level. This was a 27 block like support. I marked the monthly. No, it was a weekly gap, but technically no makes sense to add it. So here the capitulation is again 27 block. So it's 35.80. Should we drop that low? I don't think so. Technically, we closed the full fill of this monthly gap. Under is only this one, like 112 liquidity pool. So if we will start form something like double bottom, right, with the targets absolutely, personally for me, relevant. It's around 975. And maybe with the weak candle we can hit the 1K. Now after 1K, you remember, you can be sure the people will start screaming about 2K, 3K, 5K, and all of that stuff. So this is a capitulation again, so nothing changed, guys. This is the same accumulation zone. Should we drop to that low targets or not? We can't know in the moment. We can't know. But if you dream accumulate the AAVE for a long run with the best prices, it's still that same range, like 80, 48, and 35, 67. The targets, we still not hit the 0.5 low by 4K 419, and this liquidity pool, what I'm more than sure we're gonna sweep it. It's 458. If we check the AAVE USD global chart, so it looks like this one. That's the point, guys. So it was on the Binance, and this is a global one since December 17. So here is a listing. Nobody care about the project pump. 667 dump to 45.60. This one 45.60. Yes, it was a low, and now we bounced. It, and monthly time frame is still the same. So I want to show you on global charts with my customer success, so we understand that you understand the potential and what the whales do now. So technically, guys, all targets on the Binance I share with you. Let's check on the weekly. So what we can see on the weekly, right? So let's imagine this is an impulse. I already explained it. So it's hard to count the impulse because somebody count the impulse from this top, like this one. So we should hold the line at 164. Somebody can count like this one. So that's the point from this order block. So yes, technically we can drop to 141, 117. So with the same targets, guys, absolutely the same targets here, 458, 488, 600. And new all-time high, I guess, will be around 900, around 1K, 950, 955, 960. So it's hard to say exact targets. Is it possible? So this is the end of cycle. So like impulse, correction, impulse, and new bear market. Yes, guys, we work only with the possibilities. Only the main problem is only our expectation. So we build a crazy expectation, we made a mistake and accumulated wrong entries, right? So it's only our fault. It's not a fault, it's my fault, it's your fault. So it's not our fault, not a fault of the market makers, or, oh, this manipulator or so. No, guys, we can control only our actions, the size of position, our entry, exit, and all of that stuff, guys. Only our decision, not someone else. So I wish to see, of course, something like this one. So this is the best case scenario, but technically we can bounce in from this current price is going higher, because we start like a build structure, you know, but still in a downtrend structure. When we will sweep, for example, the high, yes, of course, everybody start talking about we going crazy. Maybe. But what I learned during this last, I guess, 3 years, better build a realistic and conservative price targets, because market, guys, absolutely changed. So the world changed. You can see the geopolitical change, the trade wars now we got. So we can't know what will happen next in the world in general. Take a look with my customer said ADZ. I can't show it because it's a global chart, not from the exchange. Direction. So guys, a weekly time frame, you remember we use for accumulation. Take a look. This is accumulation, accumulation, pump, time to sell. Yes, it can be the same story like this one, time to sell, correction. So let's compare it. I'm not a fan of, you know, this stuff when we like compare the cycles. Take a look, 71%, 57. So 71 will be here. If we count exact price action like a previous one, so 71, 18, 71, yes. Imagine if we will repeat the story, yes, it can be around 115. What should happen? So we dump so low, I don't know. After that, we pump it. Guys. Take a look. 2K400, based on my experience, we can pump 50% of that gains. So yes, it can be like one, maybe, yes, maybe we're going higher. 1K and 200, it can be 1K 200. Yes, maybe 1K and 500 is going to be the top of the top for AAVE. We can't know in a moment, but the good things, if the history repeat with that correction, but it was August, and take a look. It was August 2020, correction in spring, right? Now we got like a correction beginning of December. Maybe it's going to be the end of correction by end of March, for example. And summer we will see the pump. Who knows? Like a mirror price action. We will see. Technically also. And I mean, you know what I mean? It's we form the drop 71%, charge the middle line, pump, new all-time high, once again to sell. So this is, we dump it on the middle line. So here, time to sell, bear market. So this is the logic, you know. Market mood now in positive. So this is not a capitulation, not a disbelief. So next time when we will see the capitulation again, let's add alert. We can track capitulation. So it's going to be the good entry for spot. So now just track. I'm not touching any token now. Market mode, I showed you money power trade on. Take a look. Guys, no money inflow. Yes, it's kind of weird. I 100% agree. This most stupid cycle I ever seen. Money inflow, pump, sell, money outflow. No money inflow, guys. No money inflow, no divergences, nothing. Nothing positive, guys. Nothing crazy positive. We need new catalysts. Also, take a look, take profit, a global one. The worst case scenario, guys, if we're gonna test the buy line on the weekly, a lot of tokens already tested. 88.30 now, it's from our buy line on the AAVE. It's not necessary, so we will drop to the buy line, but we can on the weekly. Daily time frame here, we can drop lower 141 if we not hold the line here, and 12 time frame from my wallet, it's yes, here is a buy line 160, from a wall 120. So this is it, guys. So I wish to see, just to be honest, I wish to see the faster drop like this one, recover more and going higher, finally. So we're not to waste the time in that chop like 3 months more. That's it. And recover more maybe in summer and going higher, in this case in autumn, to a new high or even new all-time high, guys. And now no catalyst, no meta around the AAVE or the markets for continuation. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write please in comment what do you think about AAVE. If you like to trade with my customer what I showed in this video, just write me DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button, don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.